Prince Harry new wins in libel lawsuit against Mail on Sunday publisher. The Duke of Sussex is suing Associated Newspapers Limited. Parts of an article in the Mail on Sunday over the Duke's legal claim against the Home Office were indeed defamatory, a High Court judge has ruled. In February, the paper ran a story under the headline, "Exclusive. How Prince Harry tried to keep his legal fight with the government over police bodyguards a secret." Then just minutes after the story broke, his PR machine tried to put a positive spin on the dispute. In Friday's ruling, Mr. Justice Nicklin found that parts of the article in the claim were defamatory. He said the article did not suggest that Harry was seeking to keep his legal battle with the government secret, though it was suggested by the headline if read alone. Discussing one of the meanings of the article, Mr. Justice Nicklin said a reader would think Harry was responsible for public statements issued on his behalf, which claimed that he was willing to pay for police protection in the UK, and that his legal challenge was to the government's refusal to permit him to do so, whereas the true position, as revealed in documents filed in the legal proceedings, was that he had only made the offer to pay after the proceedings had commenced. The senior judge also said the article would have been read as alleging Harry was responsible for trying to mislead and confuse the public as to the true position, which was ironic given that he now held a public role in tackling misinformation. Mr. Justice Nicklin added, "It may be possible to spin facts in a way that does not mislead. But the allegation being made in the article was very much that the object was to mislead the public. That supplies the necessary element to make the meanings defamatory at common law." Friday's judgment only relates to the objective meaning of the article, Mr. Justice Nicklin said, adding it as the first stage in the libel claim. This means the case can now go forward to a full trial. In a written statement to last month's preliminary hearing, Harry said it had caused him substantial hurt, embarrassment and distress, which is continuing. The Duke of Sussex sued Associated Newspapers for libel over a February article that alleged he tried to keep the details of his legal fight to reinstate his police protection in the UK secret. A High Court judge in London paved the way for Harry to take his libel claim to trial, when he ruled on Friday that a Mail on Sunday article about the royal's legal battle with the British government over his police protection in the country was defamatory. The Duke of Sussex is suing Associated Newspapers for libel over an article that alleged he tried to keep the details of his legal fight to reinstate his police protection in the UK secret, and that his aides had then tried to put a positive spin on it. The article, published online and in print in February, was titled, "How Harry Tried to Keep His Legal Fight Over Bodyguards Secret." Then minutes after Moss broke story, his PR machine tried to put positive spin on the dispute. According to court documents obtained, Justice Nicklin found that parts of the article in the claim were defamatory. Nicklin said the article as a whole did not suggest that Harry was seeking to keep his legal battle with the government secret, but it was suggested by the headline if read alone. On Thursday, Prince Harry's lawyers asked the High Court to grant permission for a judicial review against a Home Office decision preventing him from personally funding police protection for himself and his family while in the UK. His legal team told the High Court in London that Harry does not feel safe bringing his 2 children to the UK, after the loss of his taxpayer-funded police protection and the level of security intelligence with it. The Mail on Sunday article in question claimed that Prince Harry tried to hide litigation against the British Home Office regarding the security issue, and claimed that he did not offer to fund his protection during a UK visit in June 2021 to unveil a statue of his late mother, Princess Diana. Judge Nicklin reiterated that the ruling was very much the first phase in a libel claim. The next step will be for the defendant to file a defense to the claim, he said. It will be a matter for determination later in the proceedings whether the claim succeeds or fails, and if so on what basis. Meghan previously received a symbolic in damages from the Mail on Sunday, after successfully winning a legal case against the paper for publishing a personal letter she sent to her father in 2018. In addition, the UK newspaper will pay an unspecified sum for the separate case of infringing Meghan's copyright by publishing parts of the 5-page letter she wrote to her father shortly after her royal wedding to Prince Harry in 2018, according to court documents obtained. The unspecified sum will be donated to charity. The symbolic £1 was awarded for her privacy claim. In a statement on the 2nd of December following the ruling, the Duchess of Sussex said, "This is a victory not just for me, but for anyone who has ever felt scared to stand up for what's right." She noted, "While this win is precedent-setting, what matters most is that we are now collectively brave enough to reshape a tabloid industry that conditions people to be cruel, and profits from the lies and pain that they create." Thank you for watching. If you like our video, would you please help us like, share and subscribe our channel. Wish you happy to see our videos. Thank you very much.